Hello students, welcome to Sacred Heart High School, Class 10 Geometry, topic Similarity. Children, let's study about similar triangles, test of similarity, AAA test of similarity, SAS test of similarity, and SSS test of similarity. Let us understand this with the help of a figure. Okay. Now, what are similar triangles? Similar triangles are having same shape but they do not have the same size, and corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or you can say same proportion. That is, A upon P will be equal to B upon Q will be equal to C upon R. Okay, see these two figures. These are the two triangles given. Okay, now we will see how to say whether the two given triangles are similar by AA test. If two corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that the given triangles are similar by AA test. SSS test, if three corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can say that the given triangles are similar by SSS test. SAS test, ratio of two pairs of corresponding sides are equal and the angles are included in between them. If these two sides are in the same proportion, the angle should be between the two angles. Then only we can say that the two triangles are similar by SAS test. Okay. Now next we are going to see properties of similar triangle. The first property is reflexivity of triangle. Every triangle is similar to itself. For example, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle ABC. Now symmetry. What does symmetry mean? If one triangle is similar to the second triangle, then the second triangle will be similar to the first triangle. That is, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Now the next property is transitivity. If one triangle is similar to the second triangle and the second triangle is similar to the third triangle, then the first triangle is similar to the third triangle. That is, if ABC is similar to DEF, DEF is similar to XYZ, then we can say ABC is also similar to XYZ. Okay. Now next, let us move to the practice set 1.3. Are the given triangles in the figure similar? If yes, by which test? Children, you can see here triangle PQR and triangle LMN. Here PQ is 6, QR is 8, PR is 10, LM is 3, MN is 4 and LN is 5. Okay, so to check whether these two triangles are similar, we are going to find out the ratio of the corresponding sides. So we'll first find out PQ upon LM, that is 6 upon 3, we get 2. QR upon MN, we get 8 upon 4, again it is 2. Now PR upon LN, that is 10 upon 5, this also we get 2. Therefore, all the three corresponding sides are in the same ratio, so we can say that the triangles are similar by SSS test. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test. Now let us see the next example. In trapezium PQRS, PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, AR is equal to 5AP and AS is equal to 5AQ. We have to prove that SR is also equal to 5PQ. First given part is written, PQ is parallel to SR, AR is equal to 5AP, AS is equal to 5AQ. Now let us see the proof of the children. Proof of this, that is, first we will consider triangle APQ, this triangle, and triangle ARS. Okay, we will check which angles are similar in this or which angles are congruent in this. PAQ angle RAS. Yes, you can see here V is formed. So these are the vertically opposite angle. Now next is PQA RSA. See here Z is formed. So these are the alternate angles. Okay, therefore the two triangles become similar by AA test of similarity. So triangle APQ is similar to triangle ARS. Now we are going to write corresponding sides of similar triangle, that is PQ upon SR is equal to AP upon AR. Okay, now PQ upon SR will be equal to 1 upon 5. Why? Because AP and AR, they are in the ratio 1:5. SR is equal to 5 PQ. After arranging this, hence it is proved.